नमस्ते बेटिया, खुश रहो। I Jamil Kautubanu, Assistant Professor in Education and Methodology. Today last session I will discuss with you what is Unix, history of Unix, and why we use Unix operating system, and how to accessing Unix operating system, and features of Unix, architectures of Unix operating system, shell, bourne shell, and kernel. Everything is discussed in last section. So today I will discuss Unix command. Unix command is considered give two types of command. First is internal command and second external command. Then a command is an instruction which is given by a user, telling a computer what to do something, such as for example, run a single program, a group of linked program. Then command are generally issued by typing them in a command line or text display mode and then pressing the enter key which passes them to the cell. The two types of Unix command is used, internal command and external command. First is internal command. Here, these are frequently used commands are inbuilt into the cell. These command are loaded at the time of booting. The cell has a whole set of internal commands that can be strung together as a language known as cell program. The cell does not start a separate process to run internal command. For example, if you want to make directory using internal command, so when we type Mac directory, so Mac directory is you are used to create a directory in a to create a directory. The Mac directory cell won't look in its path to locate it. आप जो डायरेक्टरी कहाँ क्रिएट करना चाहते हो ये पथ उसका लोकेटेड नहीं होगा. So that it will execute it from its own set of built-in commands that are not stored as separate file. Make directory command is an internal command can be used to create a directory. If you want to create a directory, then use make directory command. Make directory command write up percentage of make directory which directory you want to create. If you want to create a MBA directory, if you want to create DST directory, if you want to create student profile directory, which directory you want to create, use the make directory commands. Percentage of make directory. If you want to change your old directory into new directory, then use the cd command. Cd command is an internal command which are used to change a directory from old directory into new directory. Then the command cd directory means change the current working directory to a new directory. And we use syntax percentage cd mb update. If you want to change mb directory into a dst directory, so then you change percentage cd mb next dst, then mb directory is changed into dst directory. So then cd command change directory are used to change a current working directory into new directory. Last third is CP directory. CP means copy. Copy file 1, file 2 is the command which to make a copy of file 1 in the current working directory and call it a file 2. If you want to copy a file 1 into copy file 2, then use CP directory. CP directory are used source and destination which directory which file is copied into which in which file आप कौन सी फाइल में कौन सा कॉपी करना चाहते हो. अगर आप सपोज करो आपने फाइल 1 फाइल 2 दो आप चाहते हो कि फाइल 1 की सारी जो डायरेक्ट फाइल है इंफॉर्मेशन वो फाइल 2 में कॉपी हो जाए, तो यूज़ करते हो परसेंटेज सी पी फाइल मतलब सी पी कॉपी डायरेक्टली. परसेंटेज सी पी ऑप्शन सोर्स एंड डेस्टिनेशन. सोर्स मीन्स फाइल 1 एंड किस में कॉपी करना है चाहते हो फाइल 2 में. Move directory. If you want to move file one to file another file, then use move directory. Move directory to be used a file from one place to another. Use the move command. Move command this has the effect of moving rather than copying the file. So we need a end up with only one file rather than two. For example, if you want to move file 1 into file 2, then use the percentage MB source and destination, percentage MB move directory, file 1 directory, and to copy to move to the file 2 directory, then use percentage MB file 1 file 2. It means he moved the file 1 from to the file 2. Second command used in Unix command, which is external command. These commands are stored as a separate program. It means a command with an independent existence in the form of separate file. It's called the external command. If you want to display the content of file, so use the on the screen external command which you want to see, which you want to see on the screen, then use the external command. If you want to display the content of file on the screen, use the cat command. Cat command means concatenate. The cat concatenate command can be used to display the content of a file on the screen type. So, for example, if you want to search to text student profile, you want to display this file, this text, this content on the screen. So you use the percentage cat sign.txt, percentage cat student profile dot txt, which you want to display on the screen. Then cat command can be used to content display on the screen. Second is head. Head command. Head command is write the first 10 lines of a file to the screen. First clear the screen, then type head. For example, if you want to uh, percentage head science.txt, so percentage head science.txt, so science.txt file is display or write the first 10 lines of a file to the screen. So for example, program for the command such as cat and list exist independently in directory called the slash bin directory, which such command are given. The shell reaches this command file with the help of a system variable called the path variable and execute them. Then most of the Unix command are an external command, which advantage and disadvantage of Unix. Advantage of Unix: it provides the full multitasking with protected memory. It means multiple users to run various programs at the same time without interfering with one another. Yeah, without interfere each other. So the structure of Unix makes it possible for multiple users to run various programs at the same time without interfering with one another. Uses virtual memory very efficiently. It means so many programs can run with a modest amount of physical memory. So it uses the virtual memory very efficiently. It offers access controls and security. So advantage of Unix is provided. Unix is provided more security and access control because all user must be authenticated by valid account and password to use the system at all. All files are owned by particular account. The owner can be decided whether other have read or write access to this file. It provides a significant set of command to allow. It allows the string utility and command together. It means string command and utility together in unlimited way to accomplish more complicated tasks. It also provides a unfilled file system. This is advantage of Unix. It is also most portable operating system in the world. So it provides the portability of portable operating system, and it also optimized for program development. So some cons of Unix, some cons of Unix, list of some cons of Unix. It offers a hostile user interface. It means a traditional command line shell interface is user hostile designed for the program, not the casual user. जो भी interface user होता है वो ट्रेडिशनल कमांड लाइन के थ्रू होता है, ये यूजर के थ्रू होता है. इट रिक्वायर्ड यूजर टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द प्राइमरी फीचर्स. इसलिए इसमें डिसएडवांटेज है कि पहले यूजर्स को जितनी भी इस कमांड के जितने भी प्राइमरी फीचर्स हैं उसको समझना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज वो उस कमांड को उसको एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएगा फाइल को. It offers a riches in utility that can be overwhelming. It offers scripting command can be challenging to figure out. मतलब scripting command का जो होता है यूज होता है जो कि चैलेंजिंग होता है टू फिगर आउट. इट अलाउड टू you to customize the command for local dialect. This session is powered by Digital Session 2.0. Thank you. Sit.